Class, another week. This week we're going to talk about pensions. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying the class and taking stuff away from it. So this week we are going to be on pensions or defined benefit plan. So you may see defined benefit. The other one is defined contribution. Just remember, a defined contribution plan is a 401k, and just look at the benefit and the contribution part of those phrases. So contribution usually means you're going to have to contribute of some form, and a benefit, it's just like a benefit for being on the job. So pensions, defined benefit plans, you're not going to have to put forth any money. It's just the benefit of being on the job. And pensions used to be extremely common. Any company that you worked for, it was uncommon if they didn't offer. Back in the 80s, 60% of all companies offered a pension plan. And now that number has dropped down to 2 to 5%. The main reason being the cost. It's extremely expensive for companies to offer these plans, to contribute all the sources, all the funds to the plan, and then manage the investments properly. You know, in the news, you will hear, especially over the last 10 years, of pension plans, state pension plans, union pension plans that were out of money because their investments had gone extremely south. People were living too long, just a real mix of different things. And that's the real reason why you're seeing everybody migrate to only offering a 401k plan, just because the cost of the 401k is so much less, and there's way less pressure on the company to follow through with the benefit for employees. So it's important for you to understand with pensions, if you do get one offered, it's most likely you're going to have a government job or work for the school district, be a teacher, and or be in a job that has a very strong union presence where there's people involved, and that's one of the main benefits of that. Almost all of them are going to have some sort of a vesting schedule, meaning most common is going to be 5 years vesting. So for every year that you're there, you are able to take on or keep 20% of the pension. So if you're there 1 year, you'll get 20%. 2 years, 40, 3 years, 60, 4 years, 80, 5 years and on, you're 100% vested and it's yours. If you leave the company, whatever, once you retire or at a certain age, you will start receiving those pension benefits. So this is the spreadsheet for this week. It's important to know, I just want you to plug in your current age, your plan, your current income level, and that's either current or once you are full-time employed. The year you qualify for a full pension, retirement age, and the year for full pension. And then right here, yes or no, do you believe you will have a pension? And I think for a lot of you, the answer is going to be no. I do. And if the answer is no, then you don't have to worry about anything here. But you do need to answer these questions down here. Percentage of your overall retirement income from a pension, 0. Personal statement on whether you will seek employment when an organization offers a pension. Just a simple statement. How important is it? Pension is not important. Who manages your employer's pension? Not applicable. Not applicable, but just answer those. Don't leave them blank. Answer them. So for a lot of you, it should be very, very simple. If you are in a situation where you are going to get a pension or a career where you may get a pension, congrats. Way to go, because you're in the vast minority. And as I sit down with people and review their retirement plans, those that have pensions, it's such a huge benefit if they have a pension, their Social Security, maybe a 401k or IRAs or other investments. Having that additional guaranteed source of monthly income is enormous, and it does give them a lot of peace of mind. So, but For those of you that aren't going to get one or have access to one, it's important to understand how they work. There are ways that we can prepare, and like we've had in our discussions of how we can create other pension plans similar to Social Security, similar to pensions, whether it be real estate, rental income, our different investments that we have set aside where we can draw money every month from it and have that be a source of monthly income. Anyway, thanks for all that you do. Keep up the good work and have a great week.